Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan and QR code there. Winner 25 rand. Welcome to Amafans Odu TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Al Hilal 2. I'm joined by the best analyst.
Tango siwe no bafethu kokelo the best analyst bafethu on the show.
Yeah.
Ngiyalibonga lethuba leli bafethu. Namhlanje bafethu misobheke game very important for Mamelodi Sundowns. Al Hilal versus Mamelodi Sundowns bafethu. Le game namhlanje bafethu it was a game ukuthi if Sundowns managed to win it mezosibeke endaweni enhle in terms of a group uyabona. But the way phele ngakhona we still in the competition because thina Al Hilal there's not much difference in between. Al Hilal win game e1 swini game e1 idlale 2 draws so asiluzanga into eziningi so it means ukuthi the balance is still there. We can still make it to the next round as far as concerned. And then going to the game Stibo I feel ukuthi tactical coach he was spot on.
Sure.
From the word go uyangithola. Coach bekadlala ngabo number 10 abayi 3. He was playing with 3 number 10s.
Sure.
Bekadlala nguSales, adlala nguNuno, adlala nguMitus. Abo number 10 bakhe abayi 3. But now the challenge between abo number bakhe abayi 3 it was that 2 of them beba function bebayenza lento mekayifuna. Mekafuna badlale in between the lines between the middle field and then ama defender wabo. That's the space mekafuna ba operate kuso. Which uSales namhlanje was very good on it even noNuno. The only thing uNuno mengekho good on it ipass yakhe final pass yakhe. Even noSales ifinal pass yakhe mengekho there uyangithola into meyile ukuthi ifinal pass yakhe it's either is strong or weak uyangithola mengafiki ngesikhathi but mina I can see in the near future ukuthi uNuno noSales in that number 10 role bazoyisebenzela kakhulu iMamelodi Sundowns. The only thing mele bayifixe manje kula midfield umuntu ozomaka noMukwena because now we find ourselves sihlala ngabo number 10 abayi 3 abo number 10 abayi 3 it means uMatthews uSales noNuno balapha abajoine istriker lapha uMthiba so makwenza kale transition no one is covering alende nayo ujoine labo number 10 laba abayi 3 so mabashange counter attack no one is covering uMkwena has to move from the holding midfield role to try and cover while no Santos has to move from that number 10 role azamu cover. That's why you saw miscommunication because Tebza is late, Nuno is late and the player likera ipola last attack. That's why there was a miscommunication. Sagcina consider Sagcina consider so kanjalo because there was lack of communication and uTebza uMakai one in the middle ngithola for iMamelodi Sundowns. So definitely Mamelodi Sundowns needs a second player elizozazomagisa uTebza in that position because manje uTebza lapha I1 mabaqeda ukudlula uTebza siba ku crisis and then we look at the way si consider ngakhona second goal si consider nakhona same amachita amabhaya are rusty. We'll be honest Pasadena is rusty. You can tell which has not been playing a lot of games. Cupido naye kuyabonakala ukuthi mengadlali it was bekudlala AFCON mengadlali there were no games naye urusty because that ball it was simple to clear. It was a simple basic clear the ball but clearance yakhe wela part kwe18 mawela part kwe18 i danger wela part kwe18 by intercept ama opponent bashaya netin and you can tell ukuthi our goalkeeper was playing AFCON during December. Ukhathele you can tell ukhathele goalkeeper wethu. You can even tell even in performance yaka Mutau is not the Mutau that we normally simbona so you can tell ukuthi ukhathele so you can see ukuthi kunama player it's a mixture of players who are tired and players who are rusty. It's for us to get to 1 point we must be grateful because that game like it was easy we lose the 3 points and maybe we win position ukuthi next game it means we win and our next game I believe maybe it's against MC Alger I'm not sure yabo so for le 1 point esitholile let's be happy about it. Umchita ungenile uSbiya ungenile intwana encane lapha ku left back position he performed well udlale kahle and I feel ukuthi ucoach was caught in 2 minds uyangithola 2 minds how ukuthi amkhiphe or amyeke aqhubeka adlale. The reason why I feel ukuthi ucoach umyeke ukuthi adlale isikhathi eside it's because of thina ama fans because if mingamdonse early wamdonsa early if mingamdlalisanga kule game lena ungamdlalisanga kule game lena because last game uthole man of the match wathola ne assist uyangithola so those are some of the things I think ukuthi was considered that's why I'm push isikhathi eside ukuthi adlale but I do believe also ukuthi with more time mangadlalisa enze rotation between uPasadena uMudiba nalentwana lena I think iform kantwana ezoba grind naye uzofila ukuthi akana le weight ukuthi kumele ngihlale ngiperforma uzo gradually agrow into i-game. I feel mina bafethu simele shayela usalezi izandla bafethu usalezi uperformile like salezi cooked kule game bafethu. Salezi kule game lena bafethu sibonisa into like that guy is creative. And also Marcelo Allende like Marcelo Allende mekayiphethe le game lena for mina like badlalile namachidalana even no Nuno. Yes amabhola amaningi mekaphula ama first year because phula first year it's a risk. You are breaking the windows, it's a risk, it can be intercepted, but mekayibona le pass le ukuthi lo muntu ngiyamfuna. It's just that ukuthi mengabathuli uyangithola. So going forward I think ukuthi izosebenzela lento lena ukuthi kube no Nuno no Salez lapha yana because both of them they were breaking the windows. It's just that ukuthi bebengathola abantu babafuna. Ngiyabonga Siwe.
Thank you Zion.